Hi there, welcome to our channel Tech. In this video, we will talk about how to get more free Google Drive storage. So for this, let's open our phone screen and navigate to Google Drive app. Click on it to open. Now as you can see, I am totally out of storage. So to get some free Google storage here, I will click on clean up space here. As you click on it, a new interface will open. So now here you need to just scroll a little and there you will find some suggestions to clean up. So as you can see, we have large photos, then we have unsupported videos, then we have emails with large attachments, and after that we have spam emails. Now to remove some data from here, I will click on review. So there you will find all these emails with large attachments. So simply click on it and now click on delete on the top right corner and click on permanently delete. So in this way you will get some free storage. In the same way, you can do the same process for the photos, videos, and spam emails. So in this way, you will get some free Google Drive storage. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.